I'm Sawyer and I am not that old but already make over 100,000 bucks every week and own several properties including villas you will see in my videos. Age doesn't matter here, what matters is the will to act. In my Telegram channel you will get free trading practice and signals. Everything is free and based on real results. Join my community and message me, I will show you where to start.
For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Here we will open a trade for an upward movement. We've immediately found a good entry point. Let's highlight the working area to explain this trade. Overall we can see an upward trend. We will draw the trend line and we can notice a solid point of contact. In theory, from this area the price should reverse and move upward. We also see that the pullback is coming to an end, and since the CCI indicator is exiting the oversold zone, we open our trade in the direction of the trend, upward.
Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now.
We have 20 seconds left before the trade closes, so you can already see the result. There is nothing complicated here. In this setup we work not from the alligator, but from the fractal and our CCI oscillator. The first trade closes in profit.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. A losing streak tests your character, not your system. 3 red trades in a row used to break my focus. Now, when it happens, I stop, no hesitation. I close the chart, breathe, and remind myself, it's statistics. Losses mean nothing if discipline stays intact.
Here we will open a trade for a downward movement. I will be waiting for a further pullback down, focusing on the alligator indicator. Let's highlight the working area so I can explain the logic behind this entry. We can see that the overall trend is downward, and what we are watching in the crossover of the alligators moving averages. The jaw line is turning upward, while the leaves are moving downward. This tells us that a bearish dynamic is likely to dominate over the next candle. We can also see that a new local high has formed, which means the market should form a new local low soon. Based on the current price movement, it's expected to happen somewhere in this area, so let's observe. Just a little over 10 seconds remain before the trade closes, and the trade ends in profit.
There are days when everything aligns perfectly. Price respects levels, volume confirms, mind in sharp. I call this state flow. I can't be forced. It appears when discipline meets rhythm. Momentum feels effortless when you are ready for it.
Most beginners fail because they learn alone or rely on random strategies. In my community you get real guidance, free practical training on charts, detailed breakdowns of market behavior, and daily signals with 70% accuracy. Nothing is hidden behind payments or subscriptions. The goal is to make you confident in every trade you take. Join the Sawyer community and start developing a structured approach. They actually works.